Okay, this is Sam again. It is still February the 24th, 2021. And this hive here will be for over that 411. So this would be 421. 420. Which used to be 31. If they're going to need a bigger box. Y'all hear that noise going off? That's my phone. If I play with my girls here, I don't answer no phone. And it got some fat flames in it. So. Oh, that's a good laying frame. Nothing on it. You may put it in the middle. That one there's got some pollen on it. Take the pine straw out. See, now these girls here, they're building on the southwest side, right here. And that has eggs, larvae, and brood. All right in here. This one. That's pretty much the same thing. Show you something else. Some people are going to tell you every time you take your frame out, you need to scrape this stuff off here, which is propolis. Now, humans use propolis in medical stuff, and that's kind of like a drugstore for these bees here. Sometimes we have to scrape it off, but most of the time we don't. We have the same thing there. And below it. We have brood all in here, eggs, and capsule. Okay, this is the same thing. We have brood here, and laying eggs. And the same thing on that side. Same thing here. We have pollen and nectar, and we have brood and eggs. Don't see no queen. Supposed to look for the queen first. We have the same thing on that side. And the wind is picking up pretty good out here. Supposed to be picking up to about 15 to 25 sometime today. But that's okay. Because I'm blessed to get out here this morning with them on a beautiful day. Okay, this one here we have pollen. That was pretty much empty. Guess we missed the queen again. Good laying frame. One thing I don't see is much stores as far as honey. Okay, here we have a little bit of honey here. And that's just framed there. Okay, we're going to give these girls some sugar water. Nectar on it, but not enough. And the queen don't grow and lay eggs. Well, she grows. She don't lay eggs unless she has groceries coming in. So, what we're going to do here, put these sticks back down. I don't know why they were here, but they were. Tried. I think she did. Sugar over a little bit on that top. What these little varmints. That down. That down. Yeah, bucket up here. rim. Keep looking though, you'll find it. Another rim over there. Like the wind to get back where it's going. Yep. See the water? Up there, I don't know what it was, but we don't want it in there. That there. That there. That there. Okay. Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Y'all have a good one. I think I'm gonna quit for a little while until this winter kind of comes down. But y'all have a great one. Give us a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it. Bye.